Parrot 1, Early Morning Chatter. Parrot 1, Good morning, friend. Did you enjoy the sunrise today? Parrot 2, Oh, absolutely. The colors were so vibrant. The village always looks so peaceful in the morning. Parrot 1, Market Mornings. Parrot 1, did you see the hustle and bustle at the market today? Parrot 2, yes, I did. The vendors were selling such a variety of fruits and nuts. Our village is always filled with vibrant colors and enticing scents. Parrot 1, Afternoon Adventures. Parrot 1, I heard there was a commotion near the river this afternoon. What happened? Parrot 2, a playful group of monkeys tried to steal some snacks from the villagers. It turned into a hilarious chase through the trees. Our village is truly alive with excitement. Parrot 1, Evening Serenade. Parrot 1, the sunset tonight was stunning, wasn't it? Parrot 2, it truly was. And the songs of the crickets and frogs joined in with our own melodies. Our village becomes a symphony of nature every evening. Parrot 1, Moonlit Gatherings. Parrot 1, have you noticed the night gatherings by the bonfire recently? Parrot 2, of course. The elders share stories of our ancestors, and the younger ones dance under the moonlight. Our village is a place where traditions are cherished. Parrot 1, reflecting on village life. Parrot 1, living here is a true blessing, isn't it? Parrot 2, absolutely. The sense of community, the beauty of nature, and the simplicity of life make our village a special place. We're lucky to call it home.